Welcome to today video class. This is K. Damodar Reddy, lecturer in chemistry, working in Government Degree College for Women, Vanaparthi. Today topic is infrared spectroscopy. Infrared spectroscopy, also called IR spectra. IR spectra is the study of interaction between infrared radiations and matter. So IR spectroscopy is the study of interaction between infrared radiations and matter. What is the infrared radiation? You can see the electromagnetic spectrum: gamma rays, X-rays, ultraviolet, visible, infrared, and microwaves. So infrared radiation in between the visible and microwave region. In infrared region also near IR, mid IR, far infrared. So the principle of IR spectroscopy. The principle of IR spectroscopy is related to the vibrational and rotational energy of a molecule. So when the frequency of the IR radiation is equal to the natural frequency of vibration, the molecule absorbs IR radiation. Absorption of IR radiation causes an excitation of molecule from a lower to the higher vibrational level. Each vibrational level is associated with a number of closely placed rotational level. So therefore the IR spectroscopy is also called as a vibrational rotational spectroscopy. All the bonds in a molecule are not capable of absorbing IR energy, but those bonds which are accompanied by a change in dipole moment will absorb in the IR region, and such transitions are called IR active transitions. What are the IR inactive transitions? The transitions which are not accompanied by a change in dipole moment of the molecule are not directly absorbed. So, and are considered as IR inactive. So in IR spectroscopy, the changes in the vibration energy depends upon mass of the atom present in a molecule, strength of the bonds, arrangement of atoms within the molecule. So we can take the enantiomers, D and L enantiomers. These are optical isomers. So have the similar IR spectra. So therefore, no two compounds except of the enantiomers can have the similar IR spectra. Only enantiomers gives us the similar IR spectra. D enantiomer and L enantiomer are similar IR spectra, gives similar IR spectra. What is the theory of IR spectroscopy? So when a molecule absorb radiation with a frequency less than 100 centimeter inverse, molecular rotation takes place, and if a molecule absorb more energetic radiation in the region of 10 to the power of 4 to 10 to 10 square centimeter inverse, molecular vibration takes place. So a single vibrational energy change is accompanied by a large number of rotational energy changes, and thus the vibrational spectra appear as vibrational rotational bands. Observed radiation. Three main processes by which a molecule can absorb radiation. Each of these route involve an increase of energy which is proportional to the light absorbed. The first route occurs when absorption of radiation leads to a higher rotational energy level in a rotational transition. Second will be occurs when absorption of radiation leads to a higher vibrational energy level in a vibrational transition. Third occurs when absorption of radiation leads to a higher electronic energy level in its electronic transitions. So here rotational transitions, vibrational transitions, electronic transitions are. So now see energy level diagram. V for vibrational, R for rotational, E for electronic transitions. So rotational energy levels, these are the vibrational energy levels. These are electronic energy levels. Two criteria must be satisfied by a molecule for the absorption of IR radiation. What are they? First one is that the molecule should possess vibrational and rotational frequency. The molecule must give rise to asymmetrical charge distribution. Three main type of absorption bands occur in IR spectra. Those are fundamental, overtone, combinational. Three main type of absorption bands occurs in IR spectra. Those are fundamental, overtone, combinational. See here, this is the overtone band, this is the fundamental band. Fermi resonance. Interactions which occur between fundamental and overtone or combinational bands are known as the Fermi resonance. What is the Fermi resonance? Interaction which occur between fundamental and overtone or combinational bands are known as Fermi resonance. This phenomenon can be observed whenever two fundamental or a fundamental and overtone bands have nearly the same energy. Here molecule transfer its energy from fundamental to overtone and back again, and so that the each level become partially fundamental or partially overtone in character. As a result, two strong bonds are observed in the spectrum instead of the expected strong and weak bands. So what is the Fermi resonance? So Fermi resonance nothing but interactions which occur between fundamental and overtone or combination bands are known as the Fermi resonance. See here, example for carbon dioxide. It normally shows fundamental band at 1337 centimeter inverse and overtone at 1334.6 centimeter inverse. But due to the effect of Fermi resonance, the first band shifts towards higher frequency and gives rise to two bonds, two bands at 1285.5 centimeter inverse and 1388.3 centimeter inverse. So due to Fermi resonance in carbon dioxide. So fingerprint region. So what is a fingerprint region? In IR, the region below 1500 centimeter inverse is reaching many absorption bands and the region is known as fingerprint region. In IR, the region below 1500 centimeter inverse is reaching many absorption bands and the region is known as the fingerprint region. Here the number of bending vibrations are usually more than the number of stretching vibrations. In this region, small difference in the structure and constitution of a molecule results significant changes in the absorption band. Many compounds show unique absorption bands in this region and which is very useful for the identification of the compounds. So the fingerprint region useful for us identification of the compounds. So fingerprint region can be subdivided into three parts. So 1500 to 1350 centimeter inverse. In this region, doublet near 1380 centimeter inverse and 1365 centimeter inverse shows the presence of tertiary butyl group in the compound. So here doublet near 1380 centimeter inverse and 1365 centimeter inverse shows the presence of tertiary butyl group in the compound. So in a given compound, tertiary butyl group is present. So the IR spectra shows at 1365 centimeter inverse. So whereas 1352,000 centimeter inverse, all cases of compounds having groups like alcohols, esters, lactones, acid anhydrates show characteristics absorptions due to CO stretching. These bond O stretching. So in this region, groups like alcohols, esters, lactones, acid anhydrates show characteristics absorption due to CO stretching. In all groups like alcohols, esters, lactones, acid anhydrates having CO bond. That's why so absorptions occur in IR spectra due to CO stretching in this region. Below 1000 centimeter inverse, distinguish between cis and trans alkenes and mono and di substitution at ortho meta para. So these fingerprint region subdivided into three parts, 1500 to 1350. In this region, absorptions due to doublet 1380 centimeter inverse 1365 is due to tertiary butyl group. So 1352,000 centimeter inverse. So this is due to characteristic absorption of CO stretching in alcohols, esters, lactones, acid nitrites. Whereas below 1000 centimeter inverse, characteristic absorption of mono disubstitutions at ortho meta para, and distinguish between the cis and trans alkenes. See here infrared spectra of ethanol. So ethyl alcohol, so alcohols having CO stretching is there. That's why this is a 1352,000 centimeter inverse absorption is recognized. Whereas in the case of same, so this is also propanol, and this is 2-propanol. Infrared spectra of 2-propanol. This is the 1-propanol. So vibrations. Two types of vibrations are recognized in a molecule. One is stretching, another one is bending. Stretching vibration, in stretching vibrations, symmetric, asymmetric stretching vibrations are present. In bending, scissoring, rocking, wagging, twisting vibrations are there. See here, vibrational modes leading to IR absorptions. So here, these are 2 stretching vibrations. These 4 are bending vibrations. In stretching vibrations, symmetric stretching vibration, both the outside atoms move away from or towards the center. The stretching is called as the symmetric stretching. Asymmetric stretching, as one atom moves towards the center, the other moves away. So that stretching is called as the asymmetric stretching. So where is bending vibrations? Molecules undergoing bending vibrations. That bending vibrations are scissoring, racking, twisting, wagging. So this is a symmetric bending vibration in a plane like scissor. This type of bending vibration is scissoring. Where is rocking and twisting and wagging. So factors influencing absorption. So first is symmetry. Symmetric compounds do not possess dipole moment and are IR inactive. Example, acetylene. Acetylene is the symmetric molecule. So symmetric molecule or symmetric compounds do not possess a dipole moment. Therefore, these compounds are IR inactive. Coupling. There are so many factors which cause coupled vibration in IR, and it will influence the intensity and shape of the absorption bands. Example, normally the bond due to CC bond is around a 1650 centimeter inverse, but due to the mechanical coupling of two CC systems in alkene or alene give two bands at 1968 and 1970 centimeters inverse. So Fermi resonance results in an unexpected shift in energy and intensity of the bands. The overtone of CH deformation mode at 1400 centimeter inverse is always in Fermi resonance with the strength of the same band at 2800 centimeter inverse. Another one is the hydrogen bonding. It can changes the shape and position of IR band. Stronger the hydrogen bonding, greater the absorption shift. So intermolecular broad bands, intramolecular hydrogen bond gives sharp bands. So hydrogen bonding also affect in IR spectroscopy. You can distinguish intramolecular and intramolecular. So stronger the hydrogen bonding, greater the absorption shift. So intermolecular hydrogen bond present in a molecule, you can recognize the IR spectra of that compound have broad bands. Whereas intramolecular hydrogen bond present in a molecule, you can recognize the IR spectra sharp bands. Another one is the electronic effect. Electronic effects such as inductive, mesomeric, and field effect may cause shift in absorption bands due to the change in absorption frequency. Example, inductive acetone 17-15 centimeter inverse and chloroacetone 17-25 centimeter inverse. In chloroacetone, inductive effect is present. That's why. So the field effect is changed. Whereas in the case of mesomeric effect, you can take the acetophenone 1693 centimeter inverse and para aminoacetophenone. So this is due to mesomeric effect, the frequency is changed. So 1677 centimeter inverse. So absorption frequency changed due to inductive and mesomeric effects. That's why electronic effects such as inductive, mesomeric and field effect may cause shift in absorption bands due to the change in absorption frequency. Chloroacetone in aminoacetone, change in absorption frequency due to one is the inductive effect, another one is the mesomeric effect. So next one, bond angles also changes the absorption bands. So absorption frequency. So difference in bond angles can also leads to the changes is absorption bands. We can take the cyclopropanone, cyclobutanone, pentanone, cyclopentanone, cyclohexanone. So under ketone. So ring strain decreases, absorption frequency in IR spectra is decreases. In cyclopropanone, butanone, ring strain is possible compared to cyclohexanone or normal ketone. So that's why bond angles can also leads to the changes is absorption bands. So factors influencing absorption, one is symmetry, second one is coupling, third one is Fermi resonance, fourth one is hydrogen bonding, electronic effect, bond angles. So symmetric compounds do not possess a dipole moment and are IR inactive. The example is acetylene. In acetylene, dipole moment is 0. That's why this is the IR inactive. Coupling. There are so many factors which cause coupled vibration in IR, and it will influence the intensity and shape of the absorption bands. Example, normally the band due to CC bond is around a 1650 centimeter inverse, but due to the mechanical coupling of two CC systems in Alene, due two bands at 1960 and 1970 centimeter inverse. Fermi resonance. Fermi resonance results in an unexpected shift in energy and intensity of the bands. The overtone of CH deformation mode at 1400 centimeter inverse is always in Fermi resonance with the stretch of the same bond at 2800 centimeter inverse. So hydrogen bonding. So hydrogen bonds are two types, intermolecular and intramolecular hydrogen bonds. It can change the shape and position of IR bonds. Stronger the hydrogen bonding, greater the absorption shift. Intramolecular hydrogen bond, you can recognize in IR spectra of broad bands. Intramolecular hydrogen bond present in molecule, you can observe sharp bands. So another one is the electronic effect. Electronic effects such as inductive, mesmeric and field effect may cause shift in absorption bands due to the change in absorption frequency. Example, inductive effect. You can normal acetone, you can take the normal acetone. The absorption frequency is 1715 centimeter inverse. And whereas you can take the chloroacetone due to Cl as the inductive effect. That's why the absorption frequency is 1725 centimeter inverse is observed. So due to inductive effect. Whereas you can take the acetophenone, the absorption frequency is 1693 centimeter inverse. Whereas the aminoacetophenone, the absorption frequency is 1677 centimeter inverse. So due to amino group, the effect of mesomeric, the change in absorption frequency. And Also, bond angles. You can take the bond angles. So, okay, example, cyclopropanone, cyclobutanone, cyclopentanone, cyclohexanone, or normal ketone, open chain ketone. Difference in bond angles can also lead to the change in absorption bands. See here, ring strain decreases, absorption frequency decreases. So whereas in the case of cyclopropanone, 1815 centimeter inverse, normal ketone 1715 centimeter inverse. Or cyclohexanone, absorption frequency is 1715. This is a less absorption frequency due to the lesser ring strain compared to cyclopropanone. So, thank you. Thank you, one and all. This topic will be continued in next video class.